We have something new from Panthervision. Panthervision are the folks who make the flat flashlight. They're rebranding them now as the Flat Eye, the unround flashlight. And there's a whole new line of them. And we'll review those in the future. But in the meantime, I'm going to show you something really unique from Panthervision called Button Lamp. All right. So this is Button Lamp. There's a package of them. They come 6 in a package. And at the store, you can actually test them if you want. Just push down on them. Make sure they all light. And we took one out of the package here. So what they are, they're little LED lights with an adhesive on the back to put in places where a big light doesn't fit and where you just need a bit of light for a little bit of time, okay? And I'm going to show you how bright they are by going into a dark room like the bathroom, okay? So follow me. So it's pretty dark in here, okay? So now I'm going to turn on my one little button light. All right, so if this was here, you could come in and find your way around this room quite easily. I actually have one in a little cabinet where there is no light, and it's very convenient to see what's in the cabinet when I'm looking for something. They're very inexpensive, and the batteries are not replaceable. It uses 2 CR, what are they, 2032s? However, if you're really handy, you know, it's a plastic case. You can see the 2 batteries. You probably could take them out and replace them. The problem is these are very, very cheap, probably the cost of 2 batteries. On Amazon, they're 6 for $10. I saw them on Walmart where it was 6 for $9. So that's $1.50 each. There they are on Amazon, a 6-pack. Don't buy the 3-pack. You get 3 of them for $8. So why not get 6 of them for $9.99? Okay. More than 90% of the people gave it 4 and 5 stars. And the runtime is 17 plus hours, according to the company. So, you know, these are going to be momentary use. You're going to have them someplace where you need to quickly see what's in there and then shut them off again. And they're even waterproof. So I think that's a really neat idea. The Button Lamp adhesive LEDs from Panthervision. Dick DeBartolo, Mads Mettist writer, and the GizWiz. One Take Theater. I'm going to have uplight on me. I'm going to carry this on trains. Paste it on my watch. Dick DeBartolo, Mads Mettist writer, and the GizWiz. One Take Theater, GizWiz.TV. Bye.